We're doing a job right now for the second time, which obviously we don't like to do, and it's something nobody else will talk about. We did a driveway for an existing client of ours that we do level 3 reoccurring maintenance on her roof. And she said, hey, I need my driveway fixed up. The drain was smashed up. So we're like, hey, we can do this without a drain. We can make it run to some drains, save all the problems she was having. So we ripped it out, prepped it. We had a finisher come in, pour it, but we messed it up and it actually sloped more water into her garage. So all the water was running into her garage. So she called me. I come out there and looked at it. And as soon as I saw it, I'm like, this is messed up. This isn't how it was supposed to be. We have a really good concrete finisher we work with, and between him and us, we're ripping it out, re-pouring it. It sucks to do it, but we're gonna get it right this time so that it's done right for her. She was so nervous to have me come out there because she thought it would be a battle and a fight of, hey, we don't want to replace it, which we don't want to, obviously, but we also want to make sure we do right by our customers. So we're replacing that driveway. It's not gonna cost her any extra, and we're gonna get it right for her so that it's done correctly. And she's happy when we're done, and everybody's happy, and we learn from it and don't make a mistake like that going forward. But that's the thing nobody will talk about, right? All the stuff you see on social media and everything, it's always like the wins and the good stuff, but it's like, do you ever see that? And it's very rare that you'll see that. So I wanted to bring it up, and it's just proof that, you know, with our buildings, with our roofing, we've got our 10-year workmanship warranty. We're gonna come back. We went back to a couple jobs this week that had a couple small little things and fixed them up, not a problem. And those were jobs that were completed last summer, and the customers hadn't even reached out to us about the problem. But I had actually sent out an email thanking them for the work we'd done there and what they'd trusted us with, and they said, hey, everything's great, but we've got a couple little things here. When you get time, not an emergency, can you send a guy out? And so we sent a guy out a couple weeks after they let us know that, and we got those couple little things fixed up on their shop and their barn, and they're happy again. They were happy anyway, but now they're really happy. So we will come back, we will make it right, and we will fix it. And if you ever have a problem with some work we've done for you, then it's on you to let us know, because if we don't know, we can't fix it, but when we know, we will fix it.